It is said that the only constant in life is change. However, when it comes to innovation, some fields evolve and adapt faster than others. Healthcare is one such field that has seen major disruptions over the last few years due to technological advancements. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is proving to be a revolutionary force in healthcare, transforming the delivery of patient care and opening new vistas in medical research and treatment. The healthcare industry is leveraging AI to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility in various aspects of patient care, from high-powered diagnostics and medical imaging to personalized treatment plans and virtual health assistants. The applications are vast and the potential benefits are even greater. Join us in today's episode as we delve into the ways AI is revolutionizing the healthcare industry and shaping the future of medicine. AI-driven diagnostics. The first and foremost application of AI in the healthcare sector is in the field of diagnostics. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including patient records, medical images, and genomic information to identify patterns and insights that would not be possible for humans to detect. This capability is particularly useful in the early detection of diseases such as cancer, where timely intervention can significantly improve patient outcomes. For example, high-powered imaging techniques can analyze mammograms, CT scans, and MRIs to identify subtle signs of cancer that may not be visible to the human eye. Similarly, AI algorithms can sift through patient data to identify individuals who are at risk of developing chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease, allowing for early intervention and preventive measures. The use of AI in diagnostics not only improves the accuracy and efficiency of disease detection, but also helps to allocate healthcare resources more effectively. By identifying high-risk patients, healthcare providers can prioritize their care and allocate resources accordingly, ensuring that those who need it the most get the attention they require. Additionally, AI-driven diagnostics can help reduce the workload of healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus on more complex cases. By automating routine diagnostic tasks, AI can help improve the overall quality of care while reducing the risk of human error. Medical imaging. The role of AI in medical imaging is becoming increasingly significant. AI algorithms can be trained to analyze a large volume of medical images such as X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs to detect abnormalities and assist radiologists in making accurate diagnoses. This can help improve the speed and accuracy of diagnoses, leading to better patient outcomes. One way that AI is being used in medical imaging is through the development of computer-aided detection, or CAD systems. These systems use AI algorithms to analyze medical images and identify areas of interest that may indicate the presence of a disease or condition. For example, a CAD system for mammography can analyze mammograms to identify areas that may be indicative of breast cancer, allowing radiologists to focus their attention on these areas. Another application of AI in medical imaging is in the area of image reconstruction. AI algorithms can be used to improve the quality of medical images, which can lead to more accurate diagnoses and treatment planning. This is particularly useful in situations where images are of poor quality due to factors such as patient movement or insufficient contrast. Additionally, high-powered image analysis can help improve the efficiency of the imaging process by automating tasks such as image segmentation and registration. This can help reduce the time required to analyze images, allowing radiologists to see more patients. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is another critical area where AI is making significant contributions to the healthcare industry by analyzing historical patient data, including medical records, treatment plans, and outcomes. AI algorithms can predict the likelihood of a patient developing a particular disease or condition. This capability enables healthcare providers to develop targeted interventions and preventive measures to reduce the incidence of disease and improve patient outcomes. One example of predictive analytics in action is in the area of hospital readmissions. By analyzing patient data, AI algorithms can identify patients who are at risk of being readmitted to the hospital after discharge. This allows healthcare providers to develop interventions such as home health visits or medication management programs to reduce the likelihood of readmission. Another application of predictive analytics in healthcare is in the area of disease management. By analyzing patient data, AI algorithms can identify individuals who are at risk of developing chronic conditions such as diabetes or heart disease. This allows healthcare providers to intervene early and develop personalized treatment plans to help patients manage their conditions. Virtual health assistants. The use of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants in healthcare is becoming increasingly popular. These virtual health assistants can provide patients with 24/7 access to basic healthcare services, such as appointment scheduling, prescription refills, and medical advice. This can help improve patient engagement and adherence to treatment plans, leading to better health outcomes. Additionally, virtual health assistants can help reduce the workload of healthcare providers by handling routine tasks such as appointment scheduling, allowing them to focus on more complex patient needs. One example of a virtual health assistant in action is a chatbot that can provide patients with information about their medications, including side effects and interactions. This can help patients make informed decisions about their medications and improve adherence to treatment plans. Another application of AI-powered virtual assistants in healthcare is in the area of mental health. Chatbots can provide patients with a platform to discuss their mental health concerns and provide support and resources. This can help reduce the stigma associated with mental health and make it easier for individuals to seek the help they need. Telemedicine. AI is also transforming the way healthcare is delivered through telemedicine. AI-powered remote monitoring devices can collect patient data such as heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels and transmit it to healthcare providers in real time. This allows healthcare providers to monitor patients remotely and intervene quickly if necessary. One example of AI-powered remote monitoring is in the area of cardiac care. Devices can continuously monitor patients' heart rate and blood pressure and alert healthcare providers if there are any abnormalities. This allows for early intervention and can help prevent hospital readmissions. Another application of AI in telemedicine is in the area of chronic disease management. Devices can monitor patients with chronic conditions such as diabetes or COPD and provide real-time feedback to help patients manage their conditions. This can help improve patient engagement and adherence to treatment plans, leading to better health outcomes. Additionally, AI-powered telemedicine platforms can help improve the efficiency of remote consultations by automating tasks such as patient intake and scheduling. This can help reduce the administrative burden on healthcare providers and allow them to focus on providing care. However, despite the numerous benefits of AI in healthcare, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the major challenges is the need for large amounts of data to train AI algorithms. Additionally, there are concerns about the privacy and security of patient data. However, with proper regulation and oversight, these challenges can be mitigated. As AI continues to evolve, it is likely that even more applications will be found in the healthcare industry. Overall, the use of AI in healthcare has the potential to revolutionize the way patient care is delivered. From high-powered diagnostics and medical imaging to predictive analytics, virtual health assistants, and telemedicine, AI is transforming the healthcare industry and shaping the future of medicine. As AI technology continues to advance, it is likely that even more applications will be found in the healthcare industry, leading to improved patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare delivery. If you find this video informative and would like to stay updated with our latest videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.